Crazy Gamer fans? Another unboxing here for Age of Sigmar Warhammer. We're going to be unboxing this terrain piece. It's the domain of Sigmar Shattered Temple. So that's going to be, this is what we're going to do. This is new. This just came out over the weekend. It's it's near the end of May of 2019. This is new terrain. This is all new. Let me show you the back of the box. It'll be a little bit of a glare, but you know that's what it looks like. I'm excited about this. It looks real fun to paint, and it even has some rules to go with it. It says, rules included. Designed in the UK, manufactured in China. It's got the nice paint scheme on there. Might even be able to use some of that contrast paint. I'm looking forward to getting that and doing a review on the contrast paint. Let's take a look at this rule book here, or not rule book, basically terrain book. So basically it's one page of assembly. So I guess it's all self-explanatory as it goes. But here's some of the runes. This ancient temple city has been all but obliterated in some unknown cataclysm. Its guardian spirit has broken free of its bonds and now haunts the ruins, preying upon anyone who strayed too close. Description: a shattered temple is a single terrain feature. It is an obstacle. Scenery rules, fickle guardian spirit. The deadly and arcane scenery rules, see right, from the scenery table are in the core rules and must be used for this terrain. Deadly. Roll a dice for each unit that finishes a normal move or charge within 1 inch of any deadly terrain feature. On a 1, that unit suffers D3 mortal wounds. Ugh, that's nasty. Then it has an arcane feature. Add 1 to casting or unbinding spells for wizard while they are within 1 inch of any arcane terrain feature. So it has both deadly and arcane rules. It's scenery, storm vault, shattered temple. So and we have basically all the rules in all the different languages. So let's just take a look at the picture one more time. So I like that it has rules. And it says there's also a scenery table in the core rules. So we'll have to look at that. There wasn't a lot of scenery out there for Age of Sigmar, so I haven't read anything in the rule book about it. I've just started playing Age of Sigmar. Looks like these are the pillars and some corner pieces. Let's see if we can look at that and match those up. Well, here's the base. Well, that's nice. That's in one piece. That's one big piece. I'm zoomed in pretty good on this. That's one big piece right there. So that seems durable. That seems like it's going to be nice to paint. And it looks like these pieces right here, that they're going to just clip on to the, they come in 2 pieces. They just pop apart. Yeah, it looks like these little column pieces, they have step marks in them. They just click on the side, and then these columns just glue up. I'm thinking like a nice Xandri dust on these, and then some dry brush, and then a nice, Reglan flesh shade wash just in the recesses here, and then bring the high spots back up with Xandri dust or a lighter color, but leave that reddest wash in this lettering. I don't know if y'all can see that lettering that's in there, but there's lettering and all that. I think that would look pretty cool. Nice little embellishment on the column studs, column strut things, and then we have some nice torches. Be my first chance to do a flame effect, so that'll be nice. So looks like you have 4 solid pillars, and then 2 of these shorter ones, and then two of these little stubby pillars, and it seems like you can put them anywhere you want along this ruin piece. So, you know, this is nice. Let me see if I can bring up some of this detail in the middle of this. This is very nice. I like this terrain a lot. I think even in Warhammer 40K, um, if you're playing in a really old rustic planet that has old monuments or something, you could, you know, use some of this terrain. Just have different rules for it. Just cover basically. But it's nice. This is gonna. I mean, I just airbrush this and then put like the Xandri dust and then a light dry brush on there and then some shading around this letter to darken it up. I think this thing would look good. You know, let's see. Let's see what they recommend for colors on this. Let's see what they recommend for the colors right here. Let's see, they're recommending Xandri dust, as I said. They're saying a Seraphim sepia, a tyrant skull, and a terminus stone. I guess. I guess the. See, I would like the lettering a little bit darker, so I would say the regular flesh shade. Then they have a little bit of gold in there with Retributor armor. And then they have a blue, which is in the portal. See, that blue is in the portal, and they're using Stegadon Scale Green with the Sarin Sepia and Thunderhawk Blue. So, but as you can see here, the pillars are on there. You know what? I was going to say that picture almost looks 100%, but the picture's actually smaller than the actual terrain this time. Normally the picture's blown up. But yeah, this is going to be cool. So there's two more terrain features that were released. Some scatter terrain, another singular piece, and then there was an online exclusive, from what I was told. I'll be doing a review on those also, and hopefully I can get these painted and show y'all. Maybe even paint some on camera. I don't know. See how my schedule permits, because these seems like they'd be pretty easy to paint. You know, it's very simple. Not a lot of pieces. You know, I would probably, you know, paint it all separately. You know, paint this whole base and then paint all the columns and stuff separately. Just hit them all with the airbrush. So that's all for today. For Crazy Gamers Games, I'm the Crazy Gamer. Everyone have a great day.